Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on low power mode on your iPhone. So first you go to settings and then you scroll down and then you look for battery and then you tap on battery. So for example, there's battery, so tap on it. And there it says low power mode. Low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your phone. So tap there to turn it on, and when your battery reaches 20%, the low power mode will be on. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.